Well, it's been a while since we've seen everybody here, and we're back with more cubes from No, not
Digitoys.
Cryptoys. Digitoys. That's right. Fresh off a rebrand, fresh off a relaunch, we are back. So, here's what happened. Cryptoys is now called Digitoys, and for us golden ticket holders, you guys have asked over time, what do golden tickets do? One of the things they do is give us early access. So as golden ticket holders, we have access to the ZooFO Escape. ZooFO is Digitoys' own characters. That's Alfie up here, plus they have Comet and Juno, and we now have some cubes with these guys. For 48 hours, we got access to these. See, early access, that's for golden ticket holders. So if we were to go over to, let's see, oops, wrong spot. Sorry, with the rebrand, some things have changed. And top right is our backpack. So look at this, blister packs. See that? Those are the ones in there. Figures. They used to be called something different before, but now they're open. The dotted lines are ones we don't have, and these are the ones that we do. We don't have a common Pluto. What a surprise.
Wait, that was really?
I guess not. And then items. There's all of our golden tickets, plus some of the other things we've collected over the way. And now they're called blind boxes instead of just cubes. What's up?
We might have Pluto in the box, though.
Oh, right. We don't have an open Pluto, but we have them in a blister pack. And then medallions. So medallions are a new thing, right? This is the gamification. First through the portal. Right? You've always been here with us. The medallion of those who stood with us since the beginning. Right? So that's our OG medallion. And the grass is greener. This is moving over onto the new chain of abstract. So, there you go. With that, we're going to go to our blind boxes. But before we open them, let's look at our tracker. So here's what we have. You see, we're missing an uncommon Juno, a rare Juno, an epic Comet, all of the legendaries, all the grails, and all the ultra grails. But here's the kicker. Do you remember how many ultra grails there are of each of these, Nick, for ZooFO?
3, right?
Well, 3 characters, but how many Alfies, how many Junos, how many Comets? Do you remember?
No.
Oh, you forgot how they did that one? 1 of 1. There's 1 Alfie, 1 Juno, 1 Comet. That is it. Rumor has it 2 have been found, but I don't yet have those details. So there's 1 left. I don't know which. It may be in our bundle. I guess we'll see. So let's go ahead and do it. We've got 20. And the way it works, guys, if you remember, is that if we open up a dupe, we keep going. If we get something new to us, we stop and resume tomorrow. So, here we go. Clicking in. Look at that. There they all are. Not laid out the way it used to be, so now we have this list. So, Nick, we have 1 through 20. Pick a number 1 through 20.
6.
Okay, go down number 6.
All right.
And unbox. And while that's loading, one more look. Okay? Uncommon Juno, rare Juno, epic Comet. Those are those, and then any one of the others. All right. Do it, buddy.
Ooh. Is that new?
No, that's the ZooFO. Through the portal. And wait for it. Breathing. Open up. A rare Alfie, which we already have, right? We do.
Rare Alfie, yes.
Okay. That means, let's take a look at the details. Here's our rare Alfie. There's the 2 that we have, 615 and 965. All right, back to the backpack we go. Blind boxes. 19 left. Let's see.
12.
I'm picking this one. I'm picking this time. I'm gonna do this. I don't know what number that is. Come on. Give us something good. Oh, who knows what's happening right now? I know some people that know. I bet your Bones knows. He always talks about this. All right. Here it comes. And another rare Alfie.
Okay.
Wow, we're making a collection. This is kind of like our Cringer army that we had, right?
Yeah, we only ever had one, and we actually with the Cringer we had 0.
Yeah.
And then we just got like 6 of them in a row.
There you go. All right, your turn.
I'm close my eyes and 2. I barely moved.
Come on. Something new. Anything new. An epic, a legendary. Who's opening? Me opening? You're opening?
I'm open.
You're opening.
Magic touch.
By the way, do you know what that is down there in the bottom right with the orange and black?
A cassette tape or something?
A cassette tape or something. Oh boy,
What?
your daddy's old.
I mean, I saw the cassette tapes in my...
Uncommon Comet, which we have. Man! He's cute though, look at
He
him.
is, I do like him. What is it, though? What's that box?
It's a VCR tape for watching movies.
What's that?
What's that? Do you know what a DVD player is?
Not really.
Oh my god.
They're like those like silver donut things, right?
Silver donut things. Okay. Silver donut things. Guys, what am I gonna do with this kid? Ripping through the list. Here we go. Used to have movies on this. Big square. It was like the size of this Nintendo Switch case, give or take. Legendary Alfie. That's new. There we go, guys.
Yes.
Look at him. Neon. Look at what a cool. He's so cool looking. All right. So that's it. 4th try. We got something new. We're going to mark it down on the tracker sheet. We will be back with more soon. Have a good day, guys.